In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Dribbble. Once you've logged in or you've made an account, you're going to go to Share Work at the top. From here, you can either use your file browser to find the file that you want to upload, or you can just drag an image straight onto the screen. I have an image open, so I'm going to drag it in. From here, we'll make a post as normal, giving our project a descriptive name. You can add more to this post or go ahead and enter a description, and then we're going to go back to the top and click Continue. From here, you can enter the tags you want, select whether or not you're looking for feedback, and then at the bottom is where you're going to see the scheduling option. If you haven't set anything, then when you click Publish Now, it's going to go ahead and make that post, but what we're going to do is click Change. From here, you'll be able to select a date and a time that you'd like to post, and do keep in mind that the time is in the current time zone that you're posting from. Once that's done, we can click Schedule and then Schedule again, and this will take us back to your profile page. From here, on the far right, you should see a tag that says Scheduled. If you click that, it's going to show you all of the posts that you have scheduled so far. And you'll see at the bottom, here's that post that we just scheduled.